So over here you can see that I have a form, and let's say what I want to do is I want to convert this into a Microsoft form. So this is in Microsoft Word format and it is saved on my desktop. And what you can do is using Microsoft Forms, you can actually import this particular Word file right here as well. So to do that, you need to go around in the home page of Microsoft Forms, and you can see that I'm already on the home page. And over here, what you can do is you can click on Quick Import. So once you go around over here, you can see that upload from this device is an option. Once you go around and click right here, you can see that it opens up the Explorer window, and over here you can select out the forms from over here. So once you go around over here, you can click on open, and you can see that it asks you whether you want to import this as a form or a quiz. I'm going to go around and select form right here, and now you can see it is converting the forms into Microsoft Forms right here. So it is uploading the form, and you can see that the volunteer form is here. You can go ahead and then import out another form, or you can start reviewing this. And in my case, I'm just going to start reviewing. And you can see that the contents of this particular Word file right here has been imported, but it has not been imported in a perfect way. But you got the text right here, and then what you can simply do is you can go around and start adjusting it as per your needs. For example, you can go around over here, and then you can see first name is here. So if you were to click on insert new and text, you know that you have to add in the first name. So you can just go around and cut this first name out and then add it on the question right here. Similarly, you can see that surname is here, so you need to go around and make adjustment right here onto the form because it didn't detect out the form quite well. It's not a perfect tool, but it definitely makes things much more easy because it helps you to import out the contents quite easily right here without having for you to go around and select out each and every text and add it in manually over here. So that is how you can go around and quickly import out quizzes inside of Microsoft Forms, which maybe in, from the contents that may be in other format. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.